What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be installing a dash cam onto my truck. It has 3 channels, so one inside, one facing forward, and the last one facing rear. So let's get straight to it. So pretty much this is everything that's in the dash cam box. As you can see, we got the cloth, the tape and everything, the bright tool, cameras itself, connections, cables, instructions, and everything. Here's what came in there. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so we did the app thing. We cleaned the windshield. As you can see, it's pretty crystal clear. I use invisible glass. I didn't record that part because I've been looking for a tripod for the longest time. I was able to find one more reliable. Not the one I was looking for, but good enough. I swear, once you look for something, they all disappear, but as soon as you stop looking for them, they reappear. So we're gonna stick the static film on the windshield and peel off the protective film, which would be this one right here. Stick the TERUNSOUl dashcam here. There's the electrostatic film. And then we're gonna stick it on there, preferably near behind the rear view mirror. So that's good. And then we're gonna tear off the adhesive tape to the machine, stick the machine on the static film, and then we connect it. Boom. Should be simple enough. So this is the camera thing itself right here. I guess it would be upside down like that. There you go. Feels pretty good quality. And there you go. There's that. Oh, Wi-Fi password. I guess you guys, if you guys ever come near my truck, you can use a Wi-Fi password, I guess. There's that. The camera. The cabin camera. You can see. And that's. So the plan is we're gonna clean the area. I'm thinking somewhere around here and the stuff right there. I'm gonna stick this big boy right here. I think I'm gonna do it right here, right below the black. Well, you guys really can't see it, but right here should be fine. Right in the middle, down in center, and we should call it a day. All right, so I pretty much did it through there, up there, all through the headliner, wrapped it around here, down this way, and wrapped it around there, tucked it in. You only see it right there. You gotta like really look at it. It's right there, the wire, obviously. And all the way down through there, went there, but then and there, and then came out around, tucked out there. I like to think I did a pretty good job hiding the wire. It sucks, and you really can't hide this part because, you know, just when you can, I guess, a little bit. Once all this comes off, you won't really see it. All right, so you guys can clearly see that it's right there. So next up, we will, honestly, I got it pretty straight on. I'll show you guys right now. So you guys cannot see the outline here. Let me show you guys. Look at that. You can't see the border. I'd say I did like at least like a 95 stick on job just on vision alone. I got pretty good accuracy, I guess you'd call it. Alright, so we put the new camera right here, the rear one. You can barely even see the little electromagnetic tape. Again, it went all around there, all around, around. From up there you can see the wire, and all the way, I actually looped it all the way over here, you can see. And now I'm gonna just fix it so it stays right there, and we call it a day. All right, so future Alfredo here. I actually forgot to record me showing the camera. So I'm making this video, I made this video like 2 months ago, and I'm just editing it today, March 28, 2026. So we're gonna turn on the vehicle. And there you go. That's pretty much it. There it is. And it records all 3 sides, the interior, and the front, and the rear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just connect it right there. And the SD card is right there. So that's pretty much it.